Hi guys, this is Eric, and welcome to another episode of Everybody Arts. Now you've probably already noticed that there's something different about this episode, and that's because I made it. So I hope you like it. Anyway, let's get into the video. Today, we're going to be drawing Batman as an artist. Alright guys, so we're back, and I am joined with
Emma.
Because I didn't want to write a script, so we're just going to talk about what I'm drawing. Anyway, Emma doesn't know this yet, but we're drawing. This is a sped up video of me drawing Batman as an artist.
Okay.
You might want to talk a little louder. I don't know if the microphone can hear you. That's it.
The microphone can't hear me?
I mean, it could definitely hear you when you did that, but like I would go like maybe put your like head like here, so that's close enough. So anyway, I honestly thought that it would be easier to talk about the art, but
it's not, because I don't know what the thing is doing. And it's just a chair and an art thing. And it looks like a shoe that's making right now.
Yeah, you're right.
It looks like Bob Ross. Is it going to draw Bob Ross?
No, we're drawing Bruce Wayne.
What?
Batman.
Oh. Why?
The microphone can't hear you if you go over there.
I know.
Okay, so anyway, geez, this is actually really hard to do without Dad. Does he like make scripts?
Script?
Yes, script.
We're going to put this on Everybody Art.
Probably.
I took a shower today. A couple minutes ago.
She did.
You didn't tell me that I was doing this.
Why did you not want to do it?
No, I just didn't know that you were gonna do it. Ooh, I always wanted to try that.
Oh, I wanted to try
Connect the
what?
things together like this. But they got broken. You know, the cords.
What thing?
That thing with the weird thingy.
Okay.
You know that?
No, don't. It's gonna make a lot of noise. Yeah, but like, no. Anyway. This is just
Just
gonna.
talk, okay?
Okay, so it's just gonna be us talking over me drawing and not like us talking about me drawing then, right?
I don't know.
Can you speak up a little bit? This is gonna be really hard to get audio out of.
Don't know.
That's probably gonna be a little bit easier to get audio out of, but I mean. Don't do that. So how was your day?
Good. This is my first day off school, so I'm cool about that. I have a month off, but Eric has 2.
I have 3.
Wait, no, you don't.
Yeah, do a summer vacation. You have year-round school, so you get breaks in the middle. And I get jealous of those, but I have one long one at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can still make fun of you when you have, you know.
Oh look, wait. Look, I'm coloring it now.
Oh, it's painting Everybody Arts.
Yeah, it's Batman.
Oh, he knows everyone arts?
Mm-hmm.
I said everyone.
Batman really likes our channel, Emma.
But what if he hasn't watched our channel?
He told me he watches our channel. Okay, yeah, you're right, he didn't.
I'm bored.
Okay.
Wait, is it almost over?
It is over. We're talking over the outro now. I think we should probably say goodbye.
Okay. Bye. Subscribe and like and put on your notifications so you don't miss our videos. Bye.
Okay, bye!